Welcome to Asyncode. Hi there, everyone. Make sure to like and subscribe for more amazing content on the channel. Think of a class as a blueprint or a template. It's like designing a house. The class defines what the house should look like and what features it should have, like windows, doors, etc. But it does not actually create a house. You need to build it first using the blueprint. Similarly, in programming, a class defines the structure and behaviors, attributes and functions that objects of that class will have. In C++, a class is a user-defined type that contains attributes, or properties. These are the data variables that store the information or state of the object. Methods, or functions, these are the actions or operations that can be performed on the object. This example demonstrates how to model a book in C++ using a class that holds attributes such as the book's title, author, and price. The class includes methods to display the book's details, apply a discount to the price, and set the book's attributes. The program creates two book objects, sets their details, title, author, price, displays their information, and then applies discounts to each book before displaying the updated price. This includes the input-output stream library so we can use functions like cout to display output to the screen. This includes the string library so we can use string variables to store text, like the title or author. This allows us to use standard functions like cout and string without needing to prefix them with std, colon. Define the book class, which represents a book object in a library or store. Attributes of the book class. Variable to hold the title of the book. Title is a public member so it can be accessed directly from outside the class. Variable to hold the author's name. Author is public, allowing direct access to it outside the class. Variable to hold the price of the book. Price is also public so it can be accessed and modified outside the class. Function to display the details of the book, title, author, and price. Output the title of the book to the screen. Output the author's name to the screen. Output the price of the book to the screen. Function to apply a discount to the price of the book. This function will modify the price variable. Discount percentage is the percentage we want to subtract from the book's price. I'll put the new price after applying the discount. Function to set the details of the book, title, author, and price. This is called the setter function. Book title, book author, and book price are parameters passed into this function to initialize the book's attributes. Set the title attribute of the book to the value passed in book title. Set the author attribute of the book to the value passed in book author. Set the price attribute of the book to the value passed in book price. Main function, where the execution of the program starts. Create two objects of the book class, Book 1 and Book 2. Book 1 is an instance of the book class. It will store the attributes, title, author, price for one book. Book 2 is another instance of the book class. It will store the attributes for another book. Set the details for the first book using the setDetails function. This sets the title, author, and price. Now Book 1 has its title set to The Great Gatsby, author set to F. Scott Fitzgerald, and price set to $15.99. Set the details for the second book using the setDetails function. Book 2 has its title set to 1984, author set to George Orwell, and price set to $9.99. Display the details of Book 1 by calling the displayDetails function. This will print the title, author, and price of Book 1 to the screen. Example output for Book 1. Book title: The Great Gatsby. Author F. Scott Fitzgerald. Price: $15.99. Display the details of Book 2 by calling the Display Details function. This will print the title, author, and price of Book 2 to the screen. Example output for Book 2. Book title: 1984. Author George Orwell. Price: $9.99. Apply a 10% discount to Book 1 and print the new price. This reduces the price of Book 1 by 10% and prints the new price. Apply a 20% discount to Book 2 and print the new price. This reduces the price of Book 2 by 20% and prints the new price. The program ends here and returns 0 to indicate successful execution. Now run our code. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.